Okay, so the first thing you want to do is look around your cube and find the piece that has the red, white, and green faces on it. So look, this face has a green face. This piece has a green face on it, but it only has red and yellow as the other sides. Now we want green and red, but we don't want yellow. We want white. So this face has green, white, and red. That's the piece we're looking for. So we'll put this piece at the top by removing our cube. And so then we're going to keep this face here at the top of our cube. And we're going to look for more green pieces in order to solve that top green face of our cube. So here we have another green face. This green face is connected to a white face and an orange face. So this green and white face, since this is green and white, we want it to match up with our other green and white so that they can both have the white sides and making a line. So we would move it into place, and there's no one algorithm for moving these into place. It's just common sense and knowledge and a bit of luck. And now we have these two white pieces moved into place, making a white bar. And now we have a green bar as well, which means this is 1/2 of our green face. You don't want to just go at random and grab random green pieces and put them wherever, because that would end up in a case like this or something, where your cube, or it could even end up in a case like something where your cube looks solved, but it isn't, like this. This case, from the top, this looks like a green solved bar, but from the side you can see it's not solved. This is supposed to be yellow and yellow, or red and red, but it's red and yellow, which means that it's not solved. So yeah, we have to look for the specific pieces. So now we have the green, white, and red piece, and the green, white, and orange piece. Now we need to look for the green, orange, and yellow piece. And look what we have here, the green, orange, and yellow piece. So we're going to position that along with our orange piece. So which face has orange? This side has red, and this side has orange. So we're going to want to get this little orange piece to match up with this little orange piece. So since it's matching with the green face, I'll move it to the bottom of the cube. I'll spin it around, then I'll bring it up, and now I have an orange bar. I have 3 out of the 4 green pieces required to make the complete face. So the only piece that is left, logically, is the green, red, and yellow piece, which is right here. So now we're going to move that into position. So we need to get this piece into here. What I like to do in this case, I put the piece below where it needs to go, in this case, which is this empty socket here. So you can see it's right below there. And then I'd like to do this, and then I put this face at the bottom, and then I do this algorithm, which is actually pretty important for solving the cube later on. It goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. And we check to see if this face is solved. It's not, so we're just gonna keep doing that algorithm in a loop until that is solved. So we go R, U, R prime, U prime. Is it solved? Nope. R, U, R prime, U prime. Is it solved? Yep. And now we have completed the entire top half of this cube. So congratulations. Now, as I've mentioned before, along with green, each of these pieces also has 2 other colors. This one has yellow and red, this one has red and white, this one has white and orange, and this one has orange and yellow. And that is going to be important to leading to us solving it in the future, because we need to know which faces match up with which. So if I pick a random piece on the top, so if I take this green and I put it at the bottom face, then we have, if I take a random piece from here, then we can see it has 3 different colors. Blue, all of these pieces up here will have blue because they're on the blue side, opposite of the green side. So we have blue, orange, and yellow. And look at this piece. This piece also has orange and yellow. So these pieces are actually supposed to be together. and they will match. Now, they are together, they're on top of each other right now, which is good, but you can see they're facing the wrong way, but we'll fix that later. This orange is supposed to be here, and this yellow is supposed to be here, but we can fix that later. So what you want to do, yeah, is look for pieces, like this one is white and red, and you want to take that one piece and match it to whichever side, to whichever corner piece it looks like. So it looks like this red and white one, and it's fine if it doesn't match it, like this one. It's fine if it looks chaotic, like this, and it's the same color pieces, but in the wrong place. That's fine. So we want to see, so once you put that place into position, we will call that the correct position. A correct position is if a piece matches the colors of the piece below it. An incorrect position is like if this, in this case, it doesn't match the colors of the piece below it, like yellow instead of white. So this piece is now in a correct position, and now we look at the other pieces and see if they're also in correct positions. This piece is orange, blue, and white, and this piece is yellow and red. That is bad. These are not correct. This piece is red and yellow faces, and this piece has white and red faces. That's incorrect. This piece has red and white faces. This face has orange and white faces. So none of these are correct, except for this one. So we have one correct piece. So in this step, what you want is to either have one correct piece or 4 correct pieces. If you don't have any, so if you have 3 or 2 correct pieces, that's bad. You want to move it so that you just either have 1 correct piece or 4 correct pieces. So, or because if you just have 2 correct pieces or 3 correct pieces, you're going to have to shuffle it and scramble those pieces, and that's bad. So what we do is we take this correct piece, we put green face at the bottom, we hold it like this so that this piece is at the top right of our cube, and then we do this algorithm. U, we spin the upside clockwise. R prime, we spin the right side counterclockwise. U prime, we spin the upper side counterclockwise. L prime, we spin the left side counterclockwise. U, we spin the upper side clockwise. R prime, we spin the right side counterclockwise. U prime, we spin the upper side counterclockwise. And L, we spin the L side clockwise. And so now we have so we should have some completed faces like this. This face is red and yellow, that's good. This face is white and red, that's good. It's above a white and red, so that's where it's supposed to be. This face is orange and white, that's good. That's where it's supposed to be. And if you didn't complete that, and if you didn't get all 4 of these things correct in that step, just keep doing the algorithm. And if it doesn't work in 4 times, get another, in 4 tries, move on to another piece and put that one at the top right and make it correct, and then do the algorithm there until it works. So as you can see, we now have all of these in the correct place. We just need to flip them so that the blue side is facing towards us, like these two are, and then we'll be completely done. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this green face, we're going to put it at the bottom for now, and we're gonna look and see where our pieces are that are facing the right way and that are facing the wrong way. So these 2 faces are facing the right way, so we're not going to mess with them, but these 2 are facing the wrong way. We want these blue faces to face upwards. So we're going to flip the cube so that the blue face is facing down, the green face is facing up. We're going to take one of those faces that's facing the wrong way, and we're going to point it toward us. And so you can have 1, 2, or 3 faces that are pointing the wrong way, or you can just have the whole face solved. That's fine. And if so, you can just skip this step, but if you have 1, 2, or 3 faces that are not solved, then you want to do this step. So you put the green face facing up, you put one of the unsolved faces in on the bottom right hand corner, like here. And then we're going to do that algorithm that we talked about earlier that we said would be important to solving. It goes R, U, R prime, U prime. And that looks like it's messed up our cube, and it has. But it's important not to worry, because the cube will fix itself later as we're doing it. So, has this blue piece been fixed yet? It has not. So we're going to keep doing that algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. And has the blue face been fixed? It has not. So we're going to do it one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. Has it been fixed? No. And we keep doing that until eventually this blue side has been fixed. And when it's been fixed, if you put it down on the R prime, it's important to still remember to do that U prime. Otherwise, you can mess up your whole cube. And now we have just one more face to solve. We put that face at the... So it's actually important. When you solve, you might just want to move the cube like this, but that's bad. That'll mess things up. So instead, we keep the top bit of the cube steady, the top half, and we're going to move the bottom to get to that next spot and put it in the bottom right slot. So we will move the bottom until we have this one in the bottom right, and then we're going to do that algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U prime. Is the blue solved? No. R, U, R prime, U prime. Is the blue solved? Yes. So now, these sides might be messed up, but if you spin them around a bit, you have a solved 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like or subscribe, or tell me what to do next in the comment section below. If you want me to play Minecraft, or play Poppy Playtime on my Nintendo Switch, or whatever, or solve any of these cubes, just let me know if you think I did a good job with this tutorial. And hope you had a happy new year. And this is my first video of 2025, so I'm hoping that there will be plenty more where this one came from, and that we will all have a good year. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.